Welcome back to a very special episode of the C21 Atwood Update as we're here to deliver a playhouse.
That's right. As you remember from last month, our big giveaway was the children's playhouse from the St. Peter 4th of July parade. So we are here on site to give away this house to the winner, Courtney Stolp. Let's move.
Excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
Right there.
Don't play.
You see it? Go check it out. Come on, dude.
So we're here with Courtney Stolp, winner of the Children's Playhouse. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Your son Ross is pretty excited.
Yes.
That's
yes,
awesome.
Super excited.
So fun to see that. So they're off there playing now, but we just wanted to have a chance to quick talk to you. So you were at the St. Peter Parade.
Yes.
4th of July.
Yes.
You had fun.
Yes.
Ross
Didn't
had a
rain,
blast.
so that was
It
good.
didn't rain. It almost started to.
Yeah.
I mean, it was getting
Yeah.
really
Thought so.
close.
Yes,
but,
thought so, but it didn't. We held on.
Well, thanks for coming out to the parade. And so you saw our float coming down. You saw that we were giving away a playhouse.
I didn't actually know you were giving it away
didn't
until
know
I
it-
saw the video on Facebook.
Oh, so then you saw the video on
Yes.
Facebook and went, I should like, comment, and
Yes.
share in order to win.
Yes.
Good. You were saying earlier that you never win anything.
I
But
never win
among
anything.
1,200 people, this is pretty great.
Yes, I was super excited.
Great
I
win.
was like running around my apartment.
That's awesome.
Well, let's talk about Ross for a second. So he's 2.
Almost 2 in November.
Great. And so this playhouse is going where?
To my mom's for now, because I live in a very small apartment on the 2nd floor.
Yeah.
So it's gonna go out to her house where she has a big backyard and everything, and he can actually play with it out there and stuff. And have
Sure.
fun.
Give him something to play with when he goes
Yes.
to visit Grandma.
Yes.
Right.
Nana.
Nana. Yes. Ross the boss
Yes.
and Nana.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, thanks again for entering for the chance to win, and congratulations on the win. I
Thank you.
don't know about you, but I kind of want to go join Ross.
Yeah.
So
We'll play with him.
let's
Go right
go play.
ahead.
Let's go play.
Go have fun.
This is gonna be crazy. What are you making? Oh, hot. I know.
He's gonna freak out.
Well, that's all for this week's very special episode, and be sure to tune in next week as we visit with Jeff Call, broker of C21 Atwood, for a market update report.
That's right. As always, whether you're looking to purchase a new home or put your own on the market, we know just the relentless agents to hook you up with. Give us a call.
And if you yourself are a relentless agent or you're just considering a career in real estate, be sure to send us an email, careers@c21atwood.com. Thanks.
We'll see you next week.